Good morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. This is another one from Zay's Garage. If you guys are new to the channel, I'm Zay, otherwise known as Isaiah, and in today's video we are going to be putting in the new Catless downpipe on my BMW 340i. I'm so excited. I literally have been waiting for this day for a super long time now. I've honestly had this pipe sitting in my room for about 2 or 3 weeks now, and today is finally the day, so we are going to go get it done. So here it is. This is the active Autowerke Catless downpipe. I got this from Extreme Powerhouse. Mike, great guy, gave me a ceramic coating on the outside because the shipment was delayed for so long. I'm going to put a link in the description to their website, but this deal was ultimately a part of a package deal for any B58 powered car. So this package deal would normally include a VRSF downpipe, but they have been back ordered on their downpipes for months now. It's quite ridiculous. So now he sent me the active Autowerke downpipe. And also they will give you a boot mod license, which you can use to flash your car. And in this particular case, I'm flashing to stage 2. It's gonna bring the power output up to around 450 horsepower to the crank, 420 to the wheels. And all you need is this downpipe and a flash. And I mean, I have an intake. I mean, I'm planning to go full boat on eventually, but we'll have to see how things go. But here is the little OBD to Ethernet flash tool. I'm going to be using that later this week. And guys, I'm just super excited to finally get this done. You also notice that I'm going to be changing out my coils and my spark plugs. My coils are here already, but I'm still waiting for the spark plugs, which apparently seem to be stuck in some facility in California, and I'm really hoping that they will come soon. Okay, come on, Cameron. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm hoping that my coils come soon. So we will see.
I'm holding on for you to come.
New phone mount is hanging in there. Honestly, the metal plate that I've been using is just not ideal, so I'm gonna probably have to go pick up a new one, but that's a whole nother story.
Oh, hear me crying. I feel like everyone's alive, and I am dying.
Hey, morning workout is finished, guys. Got to get to work. And then around 1 or 2 today, we're gonna head over to one of my buddy's shops over in Watertown, Massachusetts, and he is going to put the Catless downpipe on, and he's gonna let me record some of the installation too. So that's gonna be awesome for you guys, for those of you who want to install the same type of downpipe. I'll do some beginning shots, some before clips of the exhaust, and then after. And typically these cameras are not that good, even with my mic at picking up the real change, but I'll try my best for you guys. So let's go ahead, get the day started. Alright guys, the car is getting worked on right now. It's up there on the lift. Thought I'd be able to get some closer footage of it, but I don't think that's gonna be the case with this one. But hey, nonetheless, the Catless downpipe is finally on, and it was finally getting put on, and we're one step closer to going to stage 2. So cheers to that. So update on what happened yesterday. So yesterday we did not actually get the downpipe installed because we accidentally got a gasket for the B58, which is the 4-cylinder version of engine basically that you can find in, I think, the 340i. I'm not sure exactly, and that one's for the B58, which I have. So we ordered the B58 gaskets, and they will be here today. Alright guys, the car appears to be finished up, so we are gonna go get it back from the mechanic. Well, he's gonna bring it to me, and we can have a little bit of fun, see what this thing sounds like with a Catless downpipe. Hey guys, so it's on. Take a listen to this. Oh my god, it's so loud. Oh man, I think this is all I really need right here. This is crazy. We'll do some before and after shots, but this is just kind of like a little compare. We'll do some comparisons, but that's just a few revs, guys. This thing sounds insane now. I think I'm in love. But the thing is, it stinks. But one step closer to flashing stage 2. Guys, this thing literally sounds insane. Like, words don't do this thing justice. Like, listen to this. Oh, it just it's insane. I'm literally like blown away right now. Guys, words don't like describe like how much more of like a visceral experience driving this car is now. Like, it's freaking insane. Oh man, the experience is just totally different. It's louder. The pops and bangs are louder, and this isn't even with a tune yet. So when we go stage 2, this is going to be literally insane. This is the tunnel run here. Let's get this, boys. Everybody's gonna hate me. Oh man, that's crazy. So guys, there you have it. That is the new Catless downpipe. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get aftershots before I flashed boot mode, but you guys will see the video that comes along with that later on. But you can just see how much of a difference the Catless downpipe makes on this car. Honestly, I'm torn between just making that my only exhaust mod because it's already so loud. It just doesn't need much more than that at this point, and I'm just really happy with it. And I still have valved exhaust. If I keep the stock muffler, I might just change the tips, call it a day, but I don't know guys, we'll have to see. Anyways, if you stayed in the video this long, thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe because there's a lot of amazing content coming ahead, guys. Peace, and we'll see you in the next one.